I love the healthy lifestyle. Obviously you've got the cooling of the aloe vera, which is just a neat gel, and then you've got the anti-inflammatory of the Roman chamomile. This can be used with children as well, which is fantastic for eczema, psoriasis, skin eruptions. And so my word with Roman chamomile is eruptions. So when we have eruptions of the skin, and also this can mean the mind as well. So when we're over worried or overactive, or we just need to calm down a bit, including the skin and the mind, then the Roman chamomile is the one to use. Posture and techniques. By posture, I'm talking about your own posture. Make sure that you are balanced and grounded, and when you're giving a massage, that you're almost doing a dancing massage where you're balancing your way up and down the spine rather than reaching without having a base underneath your weight. It's very important to think about yourself during a massage. And secondly, your techniques. Use your whole toolbox of all the different massage techniques, including the effleurage, pétrissage, and the knuckling, the vibration techniques, in your little toolbox to be able to treat that back, neck and shoulders. Standing at the head of the couch, knuckles from the top of the trapezius up and round. I will be working on this area again when Bafar turns over, but at the moment, with the whole back of the neck exposed, it's really lovely to have this area massaged very gently, because of course she is lying on her front. I don't want to be pressing her head more into the face hole of the couch. So I'm just massaging again, always upwards, like this. You see how I'm using my full arm rather than just my wrists or fingers. Turning the full arm, and that helps you with your posture as a therapist. So now that Bafar has turned over, just need a little extra oil. And then come and sit down. And start the massage in the centre, pulling away and sweeping around the shoulders up to the base of the hairline. And again, and then one hand across, taking care not to press on the front of the neck at all. You're just touching across the clavicle, the bone across here.